What's up guys, so today in this video I'm going to be making a video on, technically just like opening packs up and checking what I get and if I'm lucky or not. And guys, let's hope we're lucky, because if we're unlucky, this is gonna turn out to be a bad video. Like always, let's try to be lucky. Man, I hope I'm lucky. It takes a little long time to get 4,000, souls, guys. Guys, in the link I'm gonna put a link in the description where you guys can get, I'm gonna sell accounts for like, I don't know, $5 for about, I don't know, okay, the $5 in AUD. So $5 AUD for an account with about 5,000, let's make it expensive, 6,000 souls. So an account with 6,000 souls for $5 in AUD currency. And that's all you guys gotta do. And pay the price and you can get your free account. So yeah guys, that's all. And guys, now let's hope we can get the Terminator. I think there's about like a 4% chance we can get him, but let's see if I get him. Okay, a bunch of level up. Oh, okay. Nothing good. Sometimes I love farming. It's so fun. And it's not really that fun. It's just, you just get to sit down while your game just automatically gives you souls. It's just fabulous. Usually I'd get like diamond, but for some reason today we're totally unlucky. Let's keep opening packs. Approximately 2 packs to go. Actually, I might save souls, I don't know. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe the video. And, so, guys, I'm gonna put my email in the description. So all you gotta do is copy the email, and just write it down in Hangouts, search my name, and once you search my name, you can get my Hangout, and yeah. After getting my Hangout, you can chat with me, and you will have to pay, and I will give you an account with some souls in it, like 5,000 souls in it for, about $6. No, actually 6,000 souls for $5. So yeah guys, I'll sell you an account with 6,000 souls for $5. Or guys, let's make it 1,000 souls for $1. And yeah, that's all for this video. And goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.